This is the hurricane shack. We're gonna go try this. And we're gonna go in. You know, it blows pretty hard. You might want to drive that in here. We're gonna go. It blows pretty hard.
That's okay, I got you.
I have to press the button and everything.
Go ahead.
Maybe lean against the wall or something.
That's what, oh, that's what I'm gonna do.
Wait, no.
Go, go.
Lean against that wall right there.
Okay.
Alright. Here we go, guys. I'm going to press the button.
Since 2001, costs and repairs from hurricane destruction in the United States have exceeded $157 billion. According to the
It's going to blow really hard, guys.
Scale, a Category 1 hurricane contains winds of 74 to 95 miles per hour, strong enough to knock over a tractor trailer. A Category 5 hurricane contains wind speeds of 155 miles per hour and greater. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina swept across Louisiana, Mississippi, and Florida. This was a Category 3 hurricane, resulting in 2,500 deaths and approximately $89.6 billion in damages. The winds in this simulator only reach up to 74 miles per hour. Imagine real caught in winds greater than the ones you are about to experience.
Here it goes. What do you think?
Whoa.
Is that scary for you?
Wow.
I think she got a little scared. You okay?
Okay, let's go.
Alright. And this is what it looks like. It simulates lightning there. But that's cool. Pretty cool little thing. Cool little simulator there.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, wait. Sure, go on in if you like.